Rotor resurfacing, what it is and why we do it. Rotor resurfacing is part of a brake service where we're going to cut the layer of material off of the surface of the rotors so that the brake pads will better seat with that surface. Another reason we might cut rotors is because of warping or unparalleling. That's when there are high and low spots on the rotor, which can be felt as a vibration in the steering wheel or in the cabin at excessive braking speeds. We use a calibrated machine that is calibrated to the hub itself, so it's called on-car brake lathe. And I've already calibrated this one, so all I have to do is turn it on. But if I wanted to recalibrate it again, I could reset it and start it. It's ready. And then we're going to slowly cut the surface. And you can see here it's only cutting part of it because there's a high spot versus a low spot. And I would have to make it a small adjustment to get rid of that high spot. Once I get to the middle, I'm going to get in just a little bit more, and then I'm going to let it machine do the rest. It's going to make one more final pass, and we'll have a nice clean cut rotor. Afterwards, we typically measure it to make sure it's within spec. You don't have to do that every time if it's a newer rotor. And we'll usually put new brake pads on as well. If it is a brake service, it's always going to have new brake pads. Occasionally the rotor can't be reused. Either it's too thin or there's too much damage done to it from metal on metal contact, in which case we'll have to replace the rotor. The last step. We'll put the new brake pads. Okay.